System errors causing the Libcurl Network Module DLL crashes in your apps. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. This DLL file is a robust client-side URL transfer library. It supports a wide range of protocols, including HTTP, FTP, and SMTP, allowing applications to securely download data, upload files, and interact with web-based services. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. The Libcurl Network Module DLL is functionally required for parent software suite, the software where you encountered your error, to operate. Downloading and reinstalling the current official version of the application from the developer will repair any missing or broken application files found in your system. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Libcurl Network Module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. The statistical risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out critical files like the Libcurl Network Module DLL within your System32 or syswow64 folders. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below related to the Libcurl Network Module and system efficiency. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for parent software suite and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.